Everyone start from my wife. My wife is very important, okay? Because of her, we are here today, okay?
Hi, my name is Iwa.
Iwa here.
Okay, so I'm also have my coach. I'm so grateful my coach. My coach name is Karen and David. Bye-bye. Okay. Bye. Okay. Okay. So who like lose weight? I think all is want to gain weight. Lose weight. Who want to lose weight? I'm always find lose weight because I have knee pain, leg pain. You like this or this? Thank you, my husband. Okay, so before I have headache, who have headache problem? Migraine? Or your family? Headache? Who? You? Okay. I always headache. I eat Benadryl. Every day. My husband Benadryl. Me also Benadryl. Okay. And then I 10 days cannot go toilet. Constipation. Cannot go toilet 10 days. I always find the medicine. Pharmacy buy medicine eat because cannot go toilet. After that, I'm sad because I need pen. Too fat. Pen here and pen here. Okay, so grateful my coach invite me go to nutrition club. She teach me morning change the breakfast, alo, tea, shake. And then 12 p.m. eat rice, veggie, and then chicken, fish like this. Eat too much. 4 p.m. also drink alo tea shake. Dinner eat. Before sleep drink shake again 5 times. 10 days I lose 1.9 kg. And then I don't have migraine. I can go toilet already. Now I lose 26 kg. 26 kg. The leg no pain already. No need to see doctor. And then later my daughter. Okay, and you next slide. I want to invite my daughter. Yes. Wow! I want to invite my daughter come to sharing. Before you see, mother fat, children also fat. But if mother no healthy, children also no healthy, right? So welcome.
Hi, good morning. I'm Winnie.
Morning.
Yeah. Before having nutrition, I have very serious obesity problem. And every time when I'm study, I'm feeling very, very sleepy and very difficult to remember things. I try a lot of ways to lose weight, but it doesn't work for me. And because of I want to lose weight, so I skip breakfast and eat less and less. Then it cost me got the stomach ache. Yeah, when I start the nutrition, I follow how to eat. I total lost 10 kg and also all my health problem become better, and also now I have more easier to focus and remember things.
ตัวในตการ nutrition จิดำนาอันเนก็เก็บปัตตักเจียนะเกจิส่งวาลเบียนะตัวนักจิดำฮีจ้ะ
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, come. Okay, you see. Next slide, please. Next slide. My family. This is my family. 4 years ago. 2018. You see? You see? Mothers is very important. One people change, everyone change. Next slide. Yeah. And this is me. This is us now. Yes. Imagine you all can do it also. Okay, thank you. Okay.
no zong hi bang ina nan kon sung like
Yeah. This if I change because my wife forced me to start this and whole my family change.
ka zina anai nong don sakena kan kon sung kila hi je
One more bonus.
khat
Next slide. Mr. Law is my father.
e kapam Mr. Lowy je
My father is the one because we all change. He don't want to change.
ko kikhelna ma kapa pen kikhelna ong mang no ma loi
But thank you because my father, she liked my wife so much. She said, but because of my mother start first, my father scold my mother. Why you drink this shake?
kanu ke panina kanu na adon chiang na hi chidam na tu don chiang na kapa na tai go bi bang hi don na yam hoi lo hi chi go bi
My mother very smart.
kanu pen smart ma mai
Daughter-in-law.
ya mau no
She want to do this business.
hi amana kamo akazina hi som zon na pen sem no me
Can you support her?
na hu zo diam
My father, because of support my wife, she changed breakfast alo tea shake.
hi kapa ina hi allo tu yong don ki pana ki khel na ngai
My father is a diabetic for 40 years.
kapa pen kum som li sung ama pen si khang nan na hi sorry
Every day injection 3 times. Morning, lunch,
nisemena
dinner.
thum veita jing sang sun ni ta ki sun ne
Yeah. After she changed the breakfast 3 months,
khathum sung khathum breakfast alai tak chiang ina
the sugar level dropped from 17 to 5.5.
asi khum pe
I'm so grateful.
kalung dam pek ma
I'm not doctor.
ke pen se won lo hi
My wife, she also not a nutritionist.
ka ji da tak tak na chidam na lama siam loi lo hi
Because we changed breakfast and share to him, he also become healthier.
Ahizongin na jing sang breakfast kan ne ku la ina to thu ka gen chiang ki khel hi
Yeah. Just want to remind you all are very important.
kong pho san no te thu pi ma ma yo te
If you all change, your people around you will change.
nang na ki khel le na mi pi the ki khel hi